Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Let's get on then, shall we? So we're going to create a string and we're going to check if there's any white spaces in there, and then we're also going to count the white spaces. So I'm going to create a subroutine here. Let's just make this a little bit bigger. Sub. I'm going to call it white space chars characters. Okay. Create my scalar count. So this will count the characters, and we're going to set it to 0. Then we're going to create a string, a scalar string. We're going to say this is a string. Okay, and now we're going to create a conditional here to evaluate this. So if the string, and we're going to have to do a little bit of matching here, but I've got a bit of a problem with my computer because the tilde character seems to be broken on there, so I've got a little workaround for it. I've got to grab it from here. So on this particular computer, like I say, it's broken. It's very annoying, but it is what it is. So I'm going to paste that in here. And we're going to match. Okay, for white space characters, for multiple white space characters here. Okay. So we'll take that off there. So we're looking for multiple white space characters here, and then we're going to print something to the user using the stay. There simply are white spaces in string. So we're telling the user that we found white spaces. And now we're going to use the count here. So this is going to be scalar count. Remember, the count was set at 0. And we're going to assign it to the string. And we're going to do use.comb here for splitting the elements. And then, whoops, made a mistake there. Elements. Then we're going to tell the user that we're going to interpolate this, which is going to be the count, because it will be keeping count of how many white spaces. In string. Okay, so that should have kept count of the white spaces. And we're going to come on to the else statement here. So this is like a catch-all. And we're going to print a message to the user, telling the user no white spaces found. Okay, just call this subroutine, so it's called white space chars. Okay, let's just save it. And just save it there. Let's just run the program. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Program is called test.raku, so we run it in the terminal by typing Raku, then the name of it, test.raku. Okay, hit enter. There are white spaces in the string. There are 3 white spaces in the string. 1, 2, 3. That's correct. So let's try this. This is a string. Let's try it like that. Let's just that a little bit bigger for you. That one a little bit bigger as well. Okay, so let's run the program again. Raku test.raku. Hit enter. No white spaces found because we pushed all the words together. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.